Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to make another simple program in C#. Simply one which can convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna start by just typing in what it's about to temperature converter, and then I'm going to also write to the console right line 1 convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then I will write in the reverse. Convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then we need input from the user, so we will do console read line, and that is gonna be stored in a variable, and then I will just do a int choice equals what we read, but I need to convert it to actually get an integer. So I'll enclose this in parentheses, and then convert it to int 32. Now we have our variable made, but I will also just include another line here. About entering your choice. Then we're gonna simply do an if choice equals choice is equal to 1. Then we're going to decide what to do then, and now we should also convert it again, I suppose. Do double Celsius and here it has it suggested to me what to do with it, so I just converted again, and I'll also write out a line here telling the user that it is supposed to be entering Celsius. And then we have another, we have an else if choice equals 2, Then we need to make a brackets there for code, and then we do the same thing, except we do console right line enter the Fahrenheit temperature, and then also the double Fahrenheit variable, which is going to be converted from the user input there. And then we need to write the conversion, the actual conversion. Now I have found the formulas we're going to use as we usually know them, which is like this. From Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I just need to write that into functions. Now it needs a data type, so I'll do static double. And then it needs a name, which will be Fahrenheit to Celsius, and it needs a parameter, which is Fahrenheit, and then it needs some code. And what's it complaining about here? Oh yes, it needs, of course, a data type there too, which will be double, and then it needs to do something, which is to return. So this is the function which takes Fahrenheit and returns Celsius, so you need to use this bottom formula here. So it returns 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. That should complete it, I think, and then I write another one, which is also static double Celsius to Fahrenheit, which has a double Celsius input as a parameter. And now we use the other formula, which is 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. And this also needs to be returned. Okay, it looks like the functions are valid, at least. And then we need to call them in our choices. So in this first choice, we have gotten a Celsius and we want a Fahrenheit. So we make another variable, which is the one we're using in our function here. So then we just call the function. We don't want to do this stuff. we want to call the function, which converts to Fahrenheit. And that's the second one here. Celsius to Fahrenheit. And these need to match, so we can use lowercase here. Double Fahrenheit equals Celsius to Fahrenheit with, well, we don't actually use the data type in the parameter, but now it should give us the Celsius, and then we want to write it out on the right line. So let's see, now we took the Celsius, so let's concatenate it with a $sign, which is the easiest way to enter our variables here. So we have the Celsius. Is yeah, is Fahrenheit. And that should take care of outputting the answer after choice 1. Then we need to do the equivalent here, which is double Celsius equals the function, which is Fahrenheit to Celsius function. And now, and the parameter here is Fahrenheit. And what? Once again, we need to match the case here. And we need finally to write our output. With simply the variables reversed. And now that should be the whole program. So let's see if it works. Okay, let's choose number 1, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's say it's 100 degrees Celsius, which is 132. Is that right? No, it's not. Something is wrong. Oh well. Oh, what did I do wrong? It must be the math in the function then. The Celsius to Fahrenheit, 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. Is it something about the order operation or something? Hmm? Let's try again. Celsius to Fahrenheit. No. Huh. Return 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. Nine. It should be something like 212, shouldn't it? So, uh, obviously I'm really bad at this. I feel so stupid and slow. But hopefully this is how you learn. Oh. If choice equals 1, and you enter Celsius, and convert it to double from the read line, and then you call this function Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Fahrenheit function, which returns 9/5 times the input parameter plus 32. Maybe you need another parenthesis. Didn't. That shouldn't make a difference, should it? So I am stuck. It's just such a simple math. 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. And none of this will work. Because 100 degrees Celsius is 212, it's not 132. So what is wrong here? How about we move this over here? That shouldn't really make a difference as far as I can tell, but let's try it. No? Now we got the right answer. But why? We don't need these parentheses. I mean, 100. You get 212. And what is different about this? Well, let's try something else. Let's try like 0 Celsius is 32. That's correct. It seems to be working now. Celsius minus 40 should be minus 40, right? And you get minus 40. So it seems to be working. I don't understand what I did wrong, but I got it right now. Let's also try the other way around. Fahrenheit to Celsius. So 12 gives us 0, which is also wrong. Okay. Oh. So what's wrong about this function here now? 9/5. That's minus 32. 5/9. Should we also move that? Now we seem to get it right. Minus 40 again is minus 40. So apparently I need to start with the variable to the left. I don't get it, but maybe somebody can explain it. Anyway, I think I have solved the assignment. And hopefully I'm learning. I just need to practice more. And maybe I'll get it.